This video will take you along an abs workout to strengthen your core and sculpt that aesthetic set of six-pack abs. This 7-minute ab workout is perfect for beginners and requires no equipment and can be done anywhere. Each exercise is 45 seconds long, and we will give you a countdown. After each exercise, there is a 15-second rest before the next exercise, a total of 6 exercises. Are you ready? Let's go! First exercise, sit-ups. Get into position. 3, 2, 1, go! "20 seconds left. "10 seconds left. "3, 2, 1, rest. Now rest for 15 seconds as you get ready for leg raises. 3, 2, 1, go. "20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, rest. Third exercise, flutter kicks. Three, 2, 1, go. "20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, plank. Three, 2, 1, go. "20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, rest. Second to last exercise, reverse crunch. Three, 2, 1, go. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, rest. Last exercise, ankle taps. Three, 2, 1, go. Twenty seconds left. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, rest.